Most people think Windows 11 simply can't run on older machines that are unsupported for it, but that's not entirely true. In this video, I'm going to show you a clean and reliable way to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without using shady tools or modified ISOs. I will install it on this PC running Windows 10, and it does not support Windows 11 because of TPM and unsupported processor. I've personally tested this on multiple systems, including older laptops, and it works consistently if you follow the steps carefully. So give this video a thumbs up, grab your laptop, and let's get started. First of all, we will need original Windows 11 ISO file. For that, open your browser and search for Download Windows 11. Open Microsoft website. Now scroll down a bit. Choose Windows 11 ISO file and click Confirm. Now choose your language. If you want a clean Windows installation, then you can select any language you want. But if you want to keep your files and settings, then you have to select that language that your current system is using. If the language doesn't match your current system, Windows won't allow you to keep your apps and files during the upgrade. To check your language, open Command Prompt as administrator. Here, type this command and press Enter. You will see your system language here, as mine is English United States. Now click 64-bit download button. An ISO file will start downloading. Just wait until it finishes. Once the ISO is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the file, and select Mount. This creates a virtual drive inside your system. Go to this PC, and you'll see a new drive appear. This is your Windows setup environment. Now, here's where most people mess up. You need to check the drive letter of this mounted ISO. It might be D, E, F, anything. There is no fixed letter. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator. Once it opens, switch to that drive by typing its letter, followed by a colon. For example, if your ISO shows as D, then type D, add a colon, and press Enter. Now comes the part that actually bypasses the hardware restrictions. Type this command carefully. What this command does is interesting. It tells the Windows installer to behave like a server setup instead of a normal consumer install. Server installations don't enforce the same TPM and CPU checks, which is why this works. After writing command, just press Enter, and the setup will launch. Now, close Command Prompt. Click here and choose Not right now. You can keep it as it is, but it will take some time to check for updates. Continue with the setup and accept the terms. Now, it will ask what you want to keep. If you want, you can keep personnel files and settings. I want a clean installation, so I will select third option. Once you proceed, click Install and let the process run. Your system will restart a few times. Don't interrupt it. Depending on your hardware, it can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour. When it's done, you'll boot straight into Windows 11. Just a newer OS, running on hardware that technically wasn't supposed to support it. One honest note though, since this bypasses Microsoft's official requirements, future updates are not guaranteed. Most systems still receive updates, but you should be aware of the risk. If you find this video helpful, then like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.